Did you know that mint has been used for thousands of years not just for its refreshing flavor, but also for its incredible health benefits? In fact, studies show that mint can help with everything from digestion to anxiety relief. So, stick around because you won't believe what this little herb can do for you. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of mint. You might think of it as just a flavoring agent for your favorite desserts or drinks, but trust me, it's so much more than that. This common herb is packed with health benefits that can really improve your well-being, and I'm here to share them with you. Now, let's talk about some common health challenges we all face. Ever experienced bloating after a big meal? Or maybe you struggle with seasonal allergies? Not to mention, who hasn't felt a bit anxious or stressed out from time to time? These issues can really affect our quality of life, right? But here's where mint comes in. This powerhouse herb offers a natural solution that can help ease these discomforts. Imagine tackling those pesky digestive issues or finding relief from respiratory problems without reaching for over-the-counter meds. Sounds good, right? Well, let's dig deeper into how mint can be your ally in these situations. Alright, so let's explore the health benefits of mint. First up, we have its amazing digestive properties. Mint is known to soothe the stomach and can help relieve symptoms of indigestion. Just a cup of mint tea can work wonders after a heavy meal, allowing you to feel light and refreshed. Next, let's not forget about mint's role in respiratory health. It contains menthol, which acts as a natural decongestant. If you're battling allergies, a hot cup of mint tea can open up your airways, making it easier to breathe. And there's more. Mint also has anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce swelling and pain in the body. Whether you're dealing with a headache or muscle soreness after a workout, mint can provide some relief. Plus, its natural aroma can boost your mood and help alleviate feelings of stress and anxiety. Pretty amazing, right? But here's the kicker, one of the most surprising benefits of mint is its potential to enhance cognitive function. You heard that right. Studies suggest that the aroma of mint can actually improve memory and alertness. A few weeks ago, I was feeling a bit overwhelmed with studying for exams, so I decided to brew some mint tea while I hit the books. Not only did it taste great, but I felt more focused and alert. It was like a mental boost in a cup. So, if you're looking for a natural way to sharpen your mind, reach for some mint. So, to wrap it all up, mint is not just a flavoring herb, it's a powerful ally for your health. From aiding digestion and easing respiratory issues to boosting your mood and even sharpening your mind, the benefits are truly impressive. Next time you enjoy mint in your meals or drinks, remember that you're also doing something great for your body. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite way to use mint? Do you love mint tea, or maybe you throw some fresh mint in your salads? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about herbal remedies, don't forget to check out my next video where I'll be sharing some of my favorite herbs and their amazing benefits. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring.